What you see here is not just ordinary agricultural waste. Behind these piles of seemingly useless banana stems lies a billion-dollar industrial revolution. Welcome to the future, where organic waste is transformed into super materials using technology you've never imagined before. Today, we're stepping inside a secret factory that turns banana stems into world-class textile fibers and eco-friendly packaging. For decades, after bananas are harvested, the stems are simply left to rot or are burned. This creates a massive environmental problem, methane emissions and accumulating waste. However, in this high-tech factory, that problem turns into a golden opportunity. As it turns out, banana stems have an incredibly strong cellular structure, even stronger than some types of hardwood if processed correctly.
As soon as we step inside, the dirty impression of agricultural waste immediately vanishes. This looks more like a NASA laboratory than a waste processing plant. Every system here is AI integrated to monitor fiber quality in real time. Thousands of banana stems enter here every day, ready to undergo a radical transformation. The first stage is cleaning and shredding. This automated machine uses optical sensors to separate the tough outer layers of the stem from the softer inner core. High-speed stainless steel blades crush the stem in seconds, breaking it down into coarse fibers ready for further processing. The precision of the cutting here is crucial to maintaining the integrity of the natural fibers inside. This is the heart of the factory, the automated decortication machine. While this process used to be done manually and took days, this machine does it instantly. It separates water, sap, and pure fiber. Did you know? Banana stems contain about 90% water. This machine extracts that liquid to be reused as organic liquid fertilizer, while the pure fiber moves toward the purification stage. Nothing goes to waste. Once separated, these fibers enter ultrasonic cleaning tanks. This technology uses high-frequency sound waves to release remaining lignin and impurities without damaging the fiber structure. Unlike traditional paper mills that use harsh chemicals, this factory uses natural enzymes and green technology. The result? Fibers that are incredibly soft, strong, and naturally bright in color.
Who would have thought this silk-soft thread came from the banana stems we saw at the beginning? Banana fiber is now a superstar in the world of sustainable fashion. It has better moisture-wicking properties than cotton and incredible durability. Top designers are starting to switch to this material because its carbon footprint is nearly zero. In this room, we can see how modern spinning technology turns waste into premium fabric. Besides textiles, this factory also produces biodegradable packaging. The remaining banana fiber pulp is processed into food containers, boxes, and even single-use plastic replacements. In less than 90 days after being discarded, these products will completely decompose back into the soil. This is a real solution to the global plastic crisis we are currently facing. What is truly extraordinary about this factory is its circular economy concept. The factory's electricity is generated from biogas produced by fermenting stem remains that cannot be turned into fiber. The water used is constantly recycled in a closed-loop system. This isn't just a business, it's a model of how industries must operate in the future to save our planet.
Seeing the transformation from a pile of waste into these high-tech products gives us hope. It shows that with the right innovation, we can coexist with nature without destroying it. If you were inspired by this technological advancement, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video so more people know about the incredible potential of our nature. What do you think about this banana fiber? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next technological exploration.